It's giving chocolate, baby. We'll be installing a closure wig from LUVME Hair. All the information on this wig will be down below in the description box. So if I tend to miss something, you guys can always check down below for the length, for the density, for all the information. It's down there. One thing that I'll be doing is going in and just using some of my foundation shade on the lace. The knots are the color of this wig, so why would you know, go in and bleach it? So I'm just going to lightly add my foundation shade on it. One thing that I like about the construction of this wig, it does have a built-in elastic band. So if you wanted to wear it glueless, I love how it's adjustable. This is where you would adjust it to make it tighter or looser, or if you don't need it at all, you can literally take it off. That's one thing that I like about this wig, because wearing this glueless is definitely going to be a vibe. I mean, no product, you know, but for this install, I will be using even. So let's just go ahead and hop on into that area, because I did use some makeup on the lace and on the cap. Dirty. I have the even wonder. I have the even wonder lace in the black tube. I'm just going to spray that right in front, like so. So far I've been liking this one. It's just that simple. Now I'm just gonna take my wig and slide her right on top of that. Now let's take the even on top. Spray just the hairline on each side. I have this wax stick I'm gonna try out. Don't want it to be oily, so I'm not gonna use that much. Just a little dab. I begin to All right, and that is it for this video. It's giving chocolate, babe. Shout out to LUVME HAIR. Don't forget, all the information on this wig will be down below in my description box, so please be free to check it out while you're down there. Please come on and subscribe to my channel to go take off with me and join the fam on this journey of easy installs, right? I went in and added a little more curls. This hair did come in like a preset curl texture, but I just wanted to add a little bit more curls to add to the look. This was my first time attempting layers in the front, so I think I did okay. I mean, you know, there's always room for improvement, but I'm satisfied with how it came out to look, so yeah. But I'm at the point in the video where I'm about to go. So as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauty.